I gotta be honest. That should have been scary, but I got real excited hearing you say that. Not because it's when your delivery is great, David. That's why I wanted to bring you here. You're one of my favorite up and coming rising stars in the comedy game. You're as funny as you are thoughtful. People don't know how nice you are. I've talked to you off stage quite a bit. And
are you bullshitting me? This motherfucker coughing when he say I'm thoughtful.
Okay, well,
are you serious right now?
Dealing with a little
right,
HPV.
Let me hear how thoughtful I am.
You never had HPV before?
HPV?
Don't act like you don't know what that is.
Is that like the cousin of HIV?
Not exactly. But
what's HPV? Human papillomavirus, that thing?